Sometimes a very basic add-on to an already existing product can make a huge difference in the way that you can use the original product in. Like Divevolk's brand new L-Bracket, made specifically for nowadays modern content creators relying on capturing vertical content. Let's have a look at it. Hey there underwater video enthusiasts, what's going on? I hope you've got plenty of cool underwater adventures happening. In today's video we'll look at the probably most basic piece of underwater imaging equipment that I have ever reviewed on this channel. A rather simple and unimpressive L-Bracket made from aluminum. But pair it with a tray and Divevolk's one-of-a-kind C-Touch 4Max underwater smartphone housing and you've got yourself the perfect setup for capturing vertical content on your next dive adventure. Let me just make a quick disclosure before we start with the actual review part of today's video. Divevolk isn't paying me for this video and all the opinions expressed within the review today are my very own ones. Even though Divevolk did supply me with an L-Bracket so I could test it and create this review for you guys, they will not see the review before it comes out publicly here on the channel. Today's review video will be structured like any other review video here on the channel into 3 different parts. First of all, we'll look at the features of the L-Bracket. In the second part, we will look at the pros and the cons of this specific product. And then last but not least, in part number 3, I will share with you my opinion on who I think the L-Bracket is made for and who will benefit most from using this piece of extra equipment. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. The Divevolk L-Bracket is a single piece of aluminum with 4 1/4 inch screw connections. It gets connected on one side either to a single handle or a dual handle tray and on the other side to the Divevolk C-Touch 4Max underwater smartphone housing. The single purpose and only feature of the L-Bracket is to bring your Divevolk C-Touch 4Max underwater smartphone housing from a normally horizontal into a vertical position when attached to a tray. A pro is certainly its simplicity, the fact that it's really lightweight and the reasonable price. It's also very quickly installed, gives you a lot more stability and makes capturing vertical content a lot more enjoyable and convenient. Ever since I've received the L-Bracket from Divevolk, I have found myself capturing actually a lot more vertical content than what I used to do before. I can't really think of a negative other than the fact that once you've attached the L-Bracket to the housing and the tray, you can't really switch back to a horizontal shooting position without disassembling everything again. It would actually be really cool to have some sort of a mechanism so you can quickly and easily switch between a vertical and a horizontal shooting position. Dear Divevolk engineers, there's a task for you to work on for the L-Bracket 2.0. So who should be getting such a L-Bracket? Well, if you own a Divevolk C-Touch 4Max underwater smartphone housing or any other compact camera for that matter and are into vertical content, say you need videos for your Instagram feed, for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, then I think the L-Bracket from Divevolk can really make your life quite a bit easier. You probably won't get much use of it if you're only capturing the occasional vertical video. But if vertical is what you're mainly aiming for, then the L-Bracket is a very simple and effective tool that will help you capture better, more stable vertical video underwater in a much more convenient way. And to make things even better, you can get yourself a 6% extra discount on your purchase of a L-Bracket by using the affiliate link in the video description below. By the way, this discount is valid for any product from the Divevolk website, not just the L-Bracket. Just saying. And that's it with today's quick review video. I hope it was useful to you. Should there be any further questions about the L-Bracket, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Thank you so much guys for your time and for watching. And now head back out there and keep capturing all those amazing underwater adventures of yours, and I look forward to seeing you back here on the channel with me next Tuesday. Take care, I'll see you next week.